Hey guys, what's up? It's Josh with Revival Float Spa. I actually just wanted to make a quick video to kind of go over some of the safety protocols that we're doing in order to keep your health and your peace of mind our number one priority. First off, we are planning on opening on Tuesday, May 19th. Now, of course, that's going to be pending what the governor says on the 18th. He's going to make that announcement then. So we are definitely gearing up to be able to open by Tuesday, the 19th. I do want to go ahead and just cover briefly some of the safety protocols that we're going to put in place just to make sure that we are prioritizing your safety, your health, and your peace of mind. So first off, we are using a hospital grade cleaner. It's called Citrus 2. Definitely kills coronavirus specifically, along with many other viruses, bacteria, and so on. So we are making it a point to wipe everything down. So door handles, doors, anything everywhere you sit. We actually have been cleaning all day today, and we actually replaced our suede chairs with leather chairs that we can actually spray and wipe down after each person sits. So we're going and trying to make everything change and be as safe as possible and minimize how much we're spreading any germs or any of those types of things. We're also going to make it a point to extend time between clients. So that way there's no crowding. And then also we can spend a little bit more time cleaning in between. So another thing is we're doing disposable face cradle covers. That way we can make sure to keep everything clean and, discard those as we need. So unfortunately, what this also means to minimize crowding, we cannot offer couples massage or, two people in a massage room at the same time. It's just too many people too close together in such a small space. So lastly, we are going to be screening clients. So we're going to be asking if you've had cough, fever, or shortness of breath within the last 2 weeks. If you've been safely quarantining, then that's perfectly fine. But these are things that we're doing in terms of trying to keep you safe. Now, in terms of things that you can do, obviously, definitely wash your hands and all of that. However, go ahead and wear a mask. We want you to get used to us wearing masks, and that's really more to protect you and, of course, us, but just to keep from spreading and just everyone's peace of mind. So feel free to wear a mask. It's not going to offend us if you do. So I actually highly recommend it. Yes, I already mentioned washing hands, but just know that we are going to be cleaning everything after any person comes in contact with anything, so including lockers and so on and so forth. Now, one last thing that you can do, and we highly recommend that you do this, is if you are feeling any types of symptoms, like I said, cough, fever, or the shortness of breath, then please don't come in if you're feeling sick at all. So we don't want to risk either getting our therapist sick or being a source where we're kind of spreading the germs. So we are trying to open and not spread germs and those types of things. Now, obviously, that's going to be impossible to really get rid of everything, but we want to make sure that we're not spreading any type of sickness or anything like that, okay? So if you have any other questions, those are just some of the things, but if you want to get into more detail, please don't hesitate to call. Our number is 432-803-5628. And or you can email me, Josh at revivalfloatspa.com. So if you have any other questions, concerns on any of that, please don't hesitate to ask. So one last quick announcement before I let y'all go. I wanted to announce our special on gift certificates. So we are doing a $25 free bonus with any $120 gift certificate purchase or greater. So you can actually buy gift certificates online. Go to revivalfloatspa.com. You'll see it at the top left corner, and you'll see it under promotions as well. We're also doing, if you buy a $300 gift certificate or more, then you can get a $25 gift certificate for free. Plus, we're going to throw in a 100% organic bamboo robe. That's $120 retail value. And we're going to give that to you for free for any $300 gift certificate purchase. Now, we're doing that special just because obviously we're not able to do massages and hands-on things just yet. But if you're wanting to get a mom a late gift, then we're just going to go ahead and throw that in there for you. We just can't thank you enough for all the love and support throughout all of this. So, our thoughts and prayers are always with y'all. And, just thank you for sticking it out with us and following us. And, we are just dying to be able to get back to y'all and be able to serve y'all again. And, we're going to try to go above and beyond with all of our safety protocols. and making sure that everything's just absolutely clean. So it is going to look a little different here at the spa. But again, it's all to prioritize your safety and mitigate the spread of germs and those types of things. So like I said, if y'all have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always here to listen. Thank you again for the love and support. Can't wait to see y'all soon. Thanks.